You can imagine where the water went because you can see the water lines on the trees on the hills around it. You can see the pieces of people's lives strewn around. So as an Oregonian, that's really hard, knowing that that's what our coastline's going to look like.
And while the Tohoku quake in Japan was the costliest natural disaster in the world's history, here on the West Coast of the United States, we're nowhere near as prepared as Japan was for this kind of disaster.
If that had been Cascadia and I'd been at work, my building would have collapsed. There's no question about it. I might have gotten out, I might not, but it would be gone. Everybody thought Cascadia was aseismic, meaning no earthquakes, because historically that's what it was. It was dead silent. And then the first evidence was discovered in the early to mid-'80s, and realized that we just happened to be sitting in a quiet spot.
The Cascadia subduction zone is a 600-mile fault that runs from Northern California up to British Columbia.